Hi everyone, my name is Sonia Trevino and I'm with the Houston Homes Legacy Group, and today I have the pleasure of introducing to you Mr. Travis Spencer.
Hi guys, my name is Travis Spencer. I've been a loan officer for about 17 years and we're here to talk to you about some pretty important stuff.
Perfect, and the topic that we're going to talk to you about today is how you can pay your mortgage off faster. You don't have to wait the 30 years or the 15 years to pay your loan off sooner. So Travis, what pointers can you give us on this subject?
Okay, this is one of my favorite subjects because we don't want to have to spend 30 years paying fees on a loan if we don't have to. Banks make a lot of money on your interest. So we're going to talk about probably about 3 ways that you guys can pay off your loan early. First one, a lot of people know about it, 15-year mortgages. 15-year mortgages are great mortgages for many reasons. Depending on your loan amount, you could save $100,000 to $200,000 on just your interest by shortening your term 15 years. Now, sometimes a problem with automatically getting into a 15-year mortgage is you're locked into that payment because it's a higher payment. So a lot of people can't afford to do that. So we'll talk about what to do if you can't afford that. But number 1 is shortening your term from a 30-year to a 15-year or even a 20-year. You don't want to pay a mortgage for 30 years. It's not as bad as credit card debt, but it's not debt. It's just not something you want to do for 30 years. So the second option is paying bi-weekly. Okay, pay bi-weekly. Please pay bi-weekly. It could save 4 or 5 years off of your mortgage by paying bi-weekly, which saves tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's the interesting thing about bi-weekly. All bi-weekly is, you're paying 1 extra mortgage payment per year. Right. So 1 extra mortgage payment a year, it saves you 4, 5, 6 years. Yeah. So bi-weekly, super great thing. It just means you pay your mortgage every other week. That's it. So as long as you budget right, set up an automatic payment, do whatever you got to do, you're going to save a ton of money by doing that. Now, here's my favorite thing to do. Some people can't afford to do bi-weekly because they get paid once a month, or for various reasons they can't pay bi-weekly. So if you don't want to be locked in to bi-weekly payments and you don't want to be locked in to a 15-year mortgage, you can always pay additional monies to your principal, to your mortgage. What I do, I didn't want to lock myself into a 15-year mortgage because my payment was $1,000 more each month. I was motivated to pay that, but I thought to myself, well, I have 3 children, another on my way. I don't want to be locked into that. So all I do every month that I can afford to, right, that I'm comfortable, I pay an extra $900 a month towards my mortgage, and I see my mortgage balance is super motivating. I see it plummeting. I see the mortgage balance going down because of that extra money. Now, when Christmas comes or holidays comes and we got family coming in, and we have a big family and we got to buy a million, Christmas presents, whatever, I don't have to make that additional payment, right?
Yes.
So it's a beautiful, it's a beautiful thing to do. And I think you were going to mention too, to beware of the junk mail that you get.
Yes, good point, Travis. I'm glad you reminded me because the first calls that I get after closing with a client is, I got this mail and they're asking me if I want to be put on a bi-weekly program, and I got this and that. Guys, you're going to get a lot of junk mail when you purchase a home. You're going to get solicitation letters from everywhere. Beware of those that call you or mail you letters offering their services of putting you on a bi-weekly program. There is no need for that. I've seen letters where they charge up to $500 just to set you up when you can do it on your own if you have the guidance of Travis or myself, because we both have been in this industry forever. So we can guide you. There is no need to pay those extra fees. So I'm glad you brought that up.
Yeah. And guys, and reach out to us anytime. Like Sonia says, it doesn't cost any money. So when you move in and you get that junk mail, you're done. Don't pay no extra money to no one. You've paid your fees, you've closed. Reach out to your professionals. Even if you weren't our clients and you're just interested in how these things work,
right?
Reach out to us. We're doing these videos to educate the community. We want to keep injecting education. We want you guys to be strong buyers. It helps everyone. It helps the community directly, helps even the state if we have educated, strong buyers. You guys don't have to be at the mercy of the banks or the guidelines.
Right.
Reach out to us and we'll help you structure it. Get a better deal. Don't pay a loan off the rest of your life. And that's really why we're here today.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Travis, for that awesome information.
Yes.
We really appreciate you coming and meeting with us. And like he said, we're here to give you some pointers and educate our community so that you know the steps to take when in any of these cases. So if you have any questions or you'd like to reach out to us or have any questions for either one of us, you can contact me at 281-850-1066 or by email at Sonia, Sonia, at HoustonHomesLegacy.com.